Kitchen, fair enough, is the space of utmost significance in all residential settings, and therefore the very requirement of ensuring an equally functional and pleasing environment is an undeniable fact. While kitchens initially have to be super healthy and hygienic in the first place, it's also equally important to have them organized in a convenient to utilize yet presentable manner at the same time. As for the very factor of usage convenience, it majorly involves storage that's space-saving and makes everything easily accessible, so that there's no compromise over comfort and promptness. And this aspect can be achieved through both the right and smart choice of storage facilities as well as the decorative organization in the kitchen. This kind of approach always generates really favorable outcomes and is meant to work wonders in the case of smaller, limited kitchens, since the idea is to maximize the available space and make the most out of it, that too, without having to diminish the aesthetics at any point. With all that being stated, Wall Curtains has got you a number of handy ideas on how to improve your kitchen decor and storage with smart furniture choice. You can count on them, in case you want to upgrade your kitchen's look or are looking forward to making some smaller yet efficient changes. Invest in multi-purpose stuff. This can include anything and everything from pull-out larders to under-sink kitchen storage, as long as the element works for providing more than one functionality. The simplest idea in this regard is to nail hooks on either the sides or the front of your kitchen cabinets. And if you want to go further, you can consider adding stuff like open shelving, dining furniture with storage and certain other ideas. Ensure proper dividing. The right kind of segregation literally does half the job when it comes to organizing your kitchen in a time-savingly favorable, space-maximizing and visually pleasing manner. You can make use of dividers to not just sort out containers, cutlery and/or cookware, but also make use of it to get extra spaces once you're done with the stacking. Using risers for this purpose is also a great approach to achieve maximally helpful outcomes. Make use of floating storage. Floating shelves, magnetic hanging boards, magnetic containers, spice jars, and all similar elements work wonders for making the most out of the available space. That's because you don't need to spare any extra space or surface for their accommodation, yet get a perfect organization for all handy stuff, with delightful flaunting being the added perk. Take help from modular furnishing. Modular furniture pieces, countertops, and cabinets give super promising results when it comes to making your kitchen decor smart and serviceable at the same time. Besides, it also helps maximize the available space, since you can easily disassemble all the pieces when not in use and also benefit from them in case of additional placement, storage requirements. Have smart selection of the appliances. To make an efficient use of the appliances and equipment is equally important to give your kitchen a well-organized look and also save yourself on both time and efforts. There are multiple handy options you can consider in this regard, such as compact ovens and slimline refrigerators.